Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Take responsibility for your life. No one will create your life's results, you will. Taking responsibility for your actions gives power and freedom. Avoiding problems or blaming others doesn't solve anything. Those who take responsibility for their life learn faster. Clarity about your decisions increases your confidence. Admit mistakes and learn from them. Taking control of your life brings progress. Responsible people improve every day. So, if you want to shape your life, first take responsibility for yourself. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.